Hey everyone! What if I told you that investing in gold doesn't mean buying physical gold bars anymore? Gold ETFs make it easier than ever. Here's why you need them in your portfolio. Alright, let's dive in. Gold ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are like digital piggy banks that hold gold on your behalf. Instead of storing gold at home, you own shares in a fund that tracks gold prices. Think of it as owning a piece of a giant gold stash without the hassle. Popular ones include Spider Gold Shares, ticker GLD, and iShares Gold Trust, ticker IAU. Now, why invest in gold ETFs in 2025? Well, first up, they're a fantastic hedge against inflation. When the cost of living goes up, gold typically holds its value. Second, they diversify your portfolio, balancing out the risks. And finally, they're incredibly liquid. You can buy and sell them easily, just like stocks. Check out these historical performance trends, steady growth over the years. So, what are the top gold ETFs to consider this year? Number 1, Spider Gold Shares or GLD, the largest and most popular. Number 2, iShares Gold Trust or IAU, it has a lower expense ratio. And number 3, Aberdeen Standard Physical Gold Shares ETF, or SGOL, backed by physical gold. Each has its unique advantages. Take a look at these simple comparisons. To wrap it up, gold ETFs can be a smart addition to your portfolio. They offer stability, liquidity, and protection against inflation. Which one fits your strategy? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you want more investing insights. Thanks for watching.